What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When I look at the entire crypto market, right now in the past, I don't know, couple of weeks, it's like people want to see excitement, right? You want to see things that are running to crazy levels. You want to see it go to from a $1 trillion market cap to a 1.5 or $2 trillion market cap. We want to see some movement. Any of the movement that we've seen recently has been in Bitcoin or Ethereum, has been in like the top cryptocurrencies, right? You've seen XRP run, BNB that has run. Um, you've seen things that have moved quite a bit. But all the positions that we look for, or we're looking for bigger movement in, like Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu, and maybe Jasmine Coin or whatever, we're not really seeing that major movement, right? 10, 20%, 30%. We want to see that. We're waiting for it. But Shiba Inu has been holding steady at some of these levels. And it's very interesting to see that, right? We have 1.3 million people that are a part of Shiba Inu that love this project, that want this project to grow and want to be able to profit from it. But when I look at this, I understand that other times that we've seen this explode, it's happened when we least expected it. Yes, we've had some situations where we had some news and then things started to run really, really quickly. But all the runs that we've seen recently have been like short-lived runs, right? It goes up to 0.000011 or maybe even close to 12 and then drops down. Back to 11. We want to see it move up to 0.00002 or 0.00003 or hell, 0.0001. We would love for it to drop a zero, but we haven't seen that little like glimpse or vision or whatever we want to call it to show us whether we're going to get there, right? To display whether we're going to get there. And I kind of wanted to talk about that. I wanted to talk about dropping a zero. I wanted to talk about when I believe Shiba Inu will explode, when it will make some moves. But nobody can honestly predict this because anybody that has tried to predict it, you can't really understand exactly where things are going, especially since it's not altcoin season right now. It seems like we're still in that range to where we're trying to get Bitcoin above 30K. We're trying to get Ethereum above $2,000. Like that's really what we're looking for here. And both of those are moving, but everything else is not really making a large movement, whether it is Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic. It could be anything that's down there, right? It could be Polygon, Atom, whatever. They're not really seeing major movements. And that's what I wanted to talk about. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. We have my Twitter link down below at Perry8K. You can follow me there. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon, feel free to check out the Patreon. It does help out. It's another way to support the channel, especially since advertisements have been really low. They're starting to come back a little bit though. But for the last 4 months or 3 months, they've been kind of low. Usually in the beginning of the month, they're low, but not, or the beginning of the year, they're low, but they're not this low. So I do appreciate any support that I get. I love making content and I love, the support you guys give me, the appreciation you guys give me. But anyways, let's talk about this. Let's show you where Shiba Inu is right now. It's currently at 0.00001095. We've seen this at a high of 1106 and a low of 1085. We're kind of up today slightly. It's more like right in the middle, right? Just running, actually just walking. And it's not really moving at all, but we see some green, off and on, green and red. Volume today, $112 million worth of volume, down 35%. Again, we see days where it's up in volume, where it looks great. We see an increase of 100%, increase of 25%, increase of 30%. Now we're seeing a decrease of 30%. And we were all the way up to, I believe, a 500 or 600 million dollar volume day. But now we're back down to a level of $100 million, which is not, I'm not saying like, oh, $100 million is horrible, but it's not the levels that you expect from Shiba Inu, especially for it to run with the amount of people that are invested into it, right? You have a $6.4 billion market cap, meaning that if you have a higher market cap and the market cap keeps getting higher, right, you need more volume to support that as well. So we've been hovering around this same place, so the market cap hasn't really been making a move. I expected to see more volume when we had that $600 million volume day, but we did not. it went up to like 1150 or something. But I would have loved to see it get to a point to where it gets to 0.00002 or 0.00003. And that's what we kind of expect from Shiba Inu, because we've seen that from Shiba Inu in the past. But honestly, we can't look at everything that has happened in the past and say that it's absolutely going to happen that way. But that's kind of what I am saying here, is that the different scenarios that we've seen, with Shiba Inu just running out of nowhere, running with no news because it's a popular position, I think that will come back. I think Shiba Inu is still a very popular position with the amount of people that are holding on to it. Then again, we can't 100% predict exactly where things are going to go for Shiba Inu, or when it's going to go to those levels for Shiba Inu. I can try and predict where I believe it's going to go based on the cap, based on what I've seen in the past and what they're building right now. But it's not a given that it's going to get there and how fast it's going to get there. But Shiba Inu will likely explode when we're least expecting it. I believe that, not saying that it will automatically get to a point where it will drop a zero. We may get to a point where it resists from that level, and then we see it skyrocket above that, as long as we have continuation of that bull run. But honestly, it all depends on what happens with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum will run first. You'll see the money start to flow over to some of the lower market cap coins. You'll see it flow over to things like Shiba Inu, to things like XRP, which is seeing a significant amount of volume as well. BNB, you'll see some that flow to that. You'll see some that flow to, Algorand, Atom, Cosmos, all of these other plays. And Shiba Inu will be one of them, and it will be a larger one of them, because it has a lot of holders, has a lot of believers, a lot of people that want to see this thing absolutely skyrocket. So for me, I can't tell you when it will take place, but I can tell you, like I said, what has to happen first, which is, the top two coins have to hit their certain levels to where people are taking some profit. Maybe institutions then see that profit taking, they end up investing into those, as well as investing some money into some altcoins. But the people that made money from Bitcoin and Ethereum are now reinvesting into altcoins to watch that market move. And that's really what we want to see. So anyways, Shiba Inu is going to run when we least expect it, and it's going to be out of nowhere. We're just going to come back and it's going to be like, Shiba Inu is up 30%. It's up 40%. We haven't seen those days in a while. We've seen 6%. We've seen 7, 8, 9%. But we haven't seen, 20% or 30% in a very long time. And we haven't seen 20% or 30% in a lot of things in a very long time. So expect that to happen when we do see a bull run happen. So I'm excited for a drop zero, taking baby steps. I understand people want to see a penny, they want to see $1, they want to see 10 cents, they want to see $20, whatever. But let's take baby steps and, walk our way or crawl our way to this drop zero, then hopefully the ability of another drop zero. But it really all depends. After that, it kind of all depends on whether we're going to see burns that factor in, whether we're going to see way more utility that goes into Shiba Inu as well, because right now we don't have any utility. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. When do you believe? I want to know a month and date. If you guys know when you believe it will take off, when things will run, let me know in the comment section below. If you think that it's going to happen next month or it's going to happen in 2024, let me know, right? I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say here. And I hope that we see a bullish market before the end of the year. I mean, it seems like we're already getting to a point to where we're approaching halfway in the year, and it feels like we just started the year. So, I mean, time definitely flies. Not when you're having fun, when you're trying to make money, right? Time flies. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.